Dear audience, good morning. Today I want to talk about very important topic spoken English for beginners. In our modern world, English has become an international language. People use it for education, business, travel, technology and communication. That is why learning spoken English is very useful and important. For beginners, spoken English may seem difficult. Many students feel shy or afraid to make mistakes. But in reality, mistakes are a natural part of learning any languages. We must remember that nobody becomes fluent in one day. Learning takes time, practice, and patience. The first step in spoken English is to build confidence. We should start by speaking simple words and short sentences in our daily life. Even small conversations such as how are you, what is your name, or where are you going help us improve. The second step is listen to more. Listening will help us learn correct pronunciation and sentence structure. We can listen to English news, movies, songs, or conversation. When we listen daily, our mind becomes comfortable with the language. The third step is to practice regularly. Practice is the key to fluency. We can practice with friends, family, classmates, or even in front of a mirror. Remember, practice makes a man or person confident and fluent. The step number 4 is to learn new vocabulary. Without vocabulary, we cannot express ourselves. Learning just 5 new words every day can make a big difference in month or a year. Finally, we should remember that speaking English is not about perfection, it is about communication. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes, so we should never feel shy or discouraged. In conclusion, I say something that spoken English is an important skill for success. Beginners should start slowly, speak confidently, practice daily, listen more, and learn new words. If we stay positive and consistent, we will improve day by day. Thank you all. No more today. Meet again other videos. In these videos, dear audience, you can know about how to learn English. Allah Hafiz.